I went out and got the new lip oil by Rare Beauty. I got it in the shade Wonder. It was about $20, maybe $21 with tax. If you've seen on Instagram or TikTok, it's basically supposed to be this cross between a lip gloss and a lip oil. So let's try it out. I'm going to apply it, give my initial thoughts. Then I'm going to check in about every hour until it gets dark out. And I'll share any additional thoughts and we'll just see how well it stayed. All right, so let's unbox it. It says you are rare. Can't see that, but it says it. Here it is. It's very pretty. I love the packaging. Ooh. You know what I do want to know? There is this Easter egg, right, where there's supposed to be like a heart. Oh, I don't think it's on this one. I think it's on the, maybe the blush? I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comments. All right, let's do it. Apologies for being so close. Even with my glasses, I'm still blind. Ooh, okay. It's so smooth. It's so soft. I just want to make sure I don't over apply because it is going to turn into a lip stain. Okay, well, that's one layer. Immediately, so smooth, not sticky, really nice color. And it has this like cooling sensation. It's not tingling, but it's cooling. So it's as if I like, I don't know, just brush my teeth or use mouthwash, but on my lips. I don't know, that's the only way I can describe it. But yes, very pretty. I really like it. Here's what Rare Beauty has to say about it. I think they do a better job describing it. So they said it's the feeling of nourishing and lightweight oil. I agree. That's soft, smooth, and never sticky. Also agree. And then it says a plump and full kiss of color and shine. I agree. That's especially bold and juicy when layered. So it's currently 3:24. So I'll check back in at 4:30, 5:30, and if I can run back from an errand, 6:30. So yeah, I'm gonna go do laundry now and I'll see you at 4:30. So it's been an hour. I did my laundry and I drank some Gatorade, and this is where my lips are at. So color's still there, shine's not so much, but it's definitely turning into that lip stain. Not sticky at all, and no transfer. So I will take a paper towel and demonstrate. And I'm biting really hard. That is really cool. I'm gonna go fold my laundry and then I'll be back at 5:30. It's 5:30 now, and there's really no difference. So I'll see you at 6:30. It's 7:13. Errands took a little bit longer. I was standing on the corner in the cold waiting for someone. They never came. That's okay. Anyways, I'm back now. The sun is setting, so I think this is gonna be the last clip I do. This is where we're at. The color is still there. I think that it's just really, really pretty. If you're not really sure about the shade, I know in Sephora, I tested a lot of them on my hand. That wasn't necessarily the best indicator of which shade would look best on me. There was also a lot of us crowded by the Rare Beauty station, so it was very hard. Plus, everyone kept putting them back in the wrong sections. So if the label said Joy, it could have very well been Wonder. So after I decided the crowd and hand swatching method was not going to work, I went to one of the workers and I asked her what she would recommend for me. And I think she told me Joy and Happy. And one of them was a little bit too peachy for me. So then I showed her this one. It's the Ilia, if that's how you pronounce it, At Last multi-stick. I got it for free for my birthday. If you look at them side by side, they're pretty close. So it's one way that might help you figure out what shade to get. If I influenced you at all to get this, let me know. Let me know what shade you get and if you like it just as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Bye.